Okay, as you work through that regression analysis tutorial, you'll get down to, and don't skip, like actually work through it. You'll get down to step 3, this exploring the OLS regression. And in that one it says activate the regression, I'll bring this over here. Activate the regression analysis data frame by right-clicking and choosing activate. When I brought ours over, I didn't have that regression analysis data frame. But I think we can do that within what we've got right here. But we do need to add some data to make that happen. And the data that we want to add are they're in the data which were provided in this guy. And under regression tutorial, regression exercise, and then in data, there should be this one called OBS, observed, or OBS, make assumptions about what that stands for, OBS data 911 calls. And so if we add that guy, it'll look something like this. It'll look kind of pink like this. And then if we also add, I think it's this one. We'll see what happens. This sort of predictions guy, I think it's thinking. Oh, there it is. Oh, I need to set it. I need to set the source. So it's looking for, in this, the name is this GWR call predictions. Maybe that's not the one I want. Let me open up this other guy. Prediction rendering. Yeah, prediction rendering. This OBS. Okay, so this guy, it's got this red exclamation mark, meaning like, I'm looking for some place, but I don't know where. All right, and so we need to assign this guy to our OBS data one that we just brought in. So if we go to properties and then source and then, right, it's looking for this OBS data, but it's looking in this stats demo.gdb. Oh my goodness, we don't have that thing. Or, I mean, anyway, this is what we want. We want this OBS data 911 calls guy. That's what we want. So we say OK, and then OK, and if we did that properly, then this thing, oh great, now this looks like what we want. And all it really did was set the color, right? It should be the exact same data as what was in this pink one. It just now has, set it by call density. So that now looks like what the that our map toolbox is. Okay, so that's that one. All right, very good.